Hello friends, and welcome to the second lecture of the topic permutation and combination. Today I'm going to discuss a specific kind of problem which comes under combination. So let's not waste any time, and this is the sample example that I have. So there are 6 points you have on a straight line and 7 points that are lying on one side of this line scattered in a plane. Now how many triangles can you form with the help of these points? So you have 7 points scattered on one side of this line which contains 6 points. Now using these 7 plus 6 points, you have to form triangles. How many triangles can you form is the question, right? So how do you go about it? So for creating a triangle, all you need is 3 points, 3 non-collinear points rather. So if you have these 7 points scattered around, let's assume that not any 3 of them are collinear. So to form a triangle, if I choose any 3 points from these 7, I can come up with a triangle. So 7C3 is the number of ways in which I can select 3 points out of these 7. Or I can select 2 out of these 7 points, and I can select 1 from these 6 points which are lying on a line. So 7C2 cross 6C1. Or I can select 1 point from these 7 and 2 from these 6 points on the line. This will also give me a triangle. Now can I select all the 3 points from this line, from these 6 points? No, I can't, because these are collinear points and no 3 collinear points can give you a triangle. So this is not a valid case. That's why I have circled it. Now you can solve it, and this is the final answer that you will get. So these are the kind of problems that usually appear in CAT or JEE exams, and these are the similar problems which I would want you guys to solve by your own, to have good practice with these kind of questions. And these are a few more questions. So before I post in the next video, which will take another week or so, I will post in the solutions also for these questions, and I would want you guys to try these questions yourself, and then of course you can verify your solutions with what I'm going to post in. A similar kind of problem comes like this. You have 6 points now lying on the vertices of a hexagon, and how many triangles can you form using these 6 points with exactly one side of the triangle coinciding with one edge of the hexagon? This is the kind of triangles that you need to make with one side of the triangle coinciding with one side of the hexagon. How many such triangles can you make is the question, right? So how do you go about this kind of question? So first, you select 2 consecutive points that will form a coinciding side of the triangle and the hexagon. So if I select these 2 points here and I join them and I consider this as one side of my triangle, this will be a coinciding side with the hexagon also. And out of the remaining points that I have, these 4 points, how many can I use to create a triangle? Can I use this point? Yes, I can. This will give me a triangle. But with this triangle, the problem is that you will not have just one side coinciding with the hexagon. You will have 2 sides, right? Similar is the problem with this point. But with this point and this point, you'll get a triangle which is of the type as the desired triangle, right? So you'll have one side coinciding with that of the hexagon. So if you select n such cases, right? So 2 consecutive such points can be selected in n ways. Of course, if we have n sides, for each side you will have 2 consecutive points, and the third point cannot be selected out of these 2 points and the points just beside these 2 points. So in that case, you will have to leave these 4 points to get the third one, and the remaining you can join with the 2 points to form a triangle. So if you can have n such cases as I discussed because of n sides that you have, and then n minus 4 ways are there in which you can select the third point. So n into n minus 4. In our case, n is 6. So n will be 6 and n minus 4 will be 2. So 12 such triangles you can form which will have a side coinciding with that of the hexagon. This is a typical problem which comes under most of the entrance examinations, and these are the similar problems which I would want you guys to solve based on this particular set of problem, or this particular type rather. And about the solutions, as I said, solutions to all these questions that I have just said, the similar problems, will be posted in a few days after the release of this video. You can download the solution from our website or Facebook page, or you can comment below the video with your email address to receive the solutions. I would advise you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, website, Facebook, Twitter or Google Plus page to stay updated. Everything that new comes up on Free Shiksha are posted on all these channels, so you have to be subscribed to them in order to stay updated. That's it guys, thank you so much.